Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights, is one of the most magical and captivating sights to behold. But it can be a real nightmare for artists to capture and convey its natural beauty. However, I have a super easy and enjoyable colored pencil technique to share with you today. In just minutes, we will create this unreal, gorgeous effect with only a few colors. No tricks, no extra tools, just the pencils you already own, turned into actual magnificent glow in the sky. Ready? Let's roll. To start a beautiful aurora effect, you need a light but vibrant green. Think salad green, apple green, and even neon green. And with this green, what we want to do is add 3 or 4 wavy lines, like so. Easy peasy. Now, on this coloring page, which you can grab for free over at the Academy, I gave you very light indications of where these lines should go. And this page comes in 2 versions, basic outlines and grayscale. If you want to use my templates, go for it. But if you're adding this effect to any other coloring page or to your own drawing, you'll have to freehand these wavy lines. Now, what we want to do is build up our green color. And I mean up, literally, like up on the page, stroke by stroke, keeping our movements vertical. And swish, 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 starting from the base of the line and up into the sky. This movement naturally creates a gradient transition from green to the blank of the page. And it establishes the shape and texture of our aurora. Amazing, right? So easy and so effective. Oh, and by the way, my paper that I'm working on is 80-pound cardstock, lightly toned and cream. Basic white paper will work just as well here. Apply this vertical green gradient to all of your ribbons, always keeping the upward motion. Whatever you do, do not shade or blend crosswise. Yet, keep it simple. This step should only take 5 minutes. Now find a deep, dark blue. Ultramarine blue, Copenhagen blue, indigo blue, all of these will work wonders here, as long as it's a strong, dark color. And now we do the opposite. Now we will fill everything that's remaining in the sky with blue. In the areas where blue meets green, we're working in the opposite direction, top, down. But the rest of it, it's a free-for-all. Now, my illustration is mostly colored already, and that's just for show. I wanted the presentation to be interesting and visually attractive for you. You don't have to start with the town and the glowing windows and the snow. You can start with the sky. And in fact, I'm teaching this effect hoping that you will add it to anything and everything, not just this page. Notice that this stage is looking a little rough. Don't worry about blending anything yet. We will bring in an actual dedicated blender pencil to marry these 2 colors. For now, just fill in everything with your blue. Now we can bring in our blender pencil. Me, I went with chartreuse for this one, but a good old yellow will do the trick just as well. The key word to this pencil is blender. No, it's not any different from any other pencil in my Prismacolor box. It's only a blender because I designate it to be so. Anytime you have 2 colors come together like this and you need to smooth out the transition, that's your blender color. And you can witness the magic happening right in front of your eyes. Silky smooth transition. This is one of the easiest gradient effects out there, but it looks really complex, doesn't it? And that's the whole point. We want to make things that make people do a double take. You drew that? No way! I'm telling you, you will surprise yourself and you will surprise anyone else with this effect. But remember, we must maintain that vertical momentum. And there's some wiggle room here. Quite literally, the aurora ribbons, they actually shimmer and wiggle and shine and move around. So a little bit of imperfection is actually welcome here. You definitely don't want to use a ruler to make perfect vertical lines. That won't look natural. Now, another thing that's specific to my situation here is that the scene is actually happening inside of a snow globe. So I must consider light reflections on the glass. And that's why I'm leaving some of the areas blank. If your scene is not trapped in a bubble of soapy, glittery joy, you don't need to worry about this. Now comes the freaky part. We can add totally unrelated colors. How about pink? Crazy, right? Yes, pink, blue, violet, yellow, all of these colors can be seen in the shimmery ribbons of Aurora Borealis. Add them freely wherever your heart desires, but remember to keep that upward vertical momentum. If you're passionate about blending with colored pencils and are always chasing that perfect smooth color transition, all of our coloring courses have you covered. But how to use colored pencils like a pro in particular is our flagship course for colorists. And in it, there's a whole section on different kinds of gradients, how to pick the right colors, how to blend them, flat and 3D, and that's just a tiny part of the course. If you don't know where to start in the Academy, start there. Plus, all course material is yours to keep forever. You can hop from course to course as much as you like. For my additional blenders, I'm bringing in blue and white. Blue for minor color variation, just to make the Aurora even more interesting. And white is the ultimate blender. If ever you don't know which color to blend with, you're safe with white. Now, it will water down your current color saturation, and that may be what you're going for, but if not, what you want to do is bring back your base color that got muted. Why bother, you ask? Why dull a color so that you can bring it back again over white? It's for that smooth texture. Aurora, it's like silk or water. It's a mirage. It's seamless. It's smooth. We don't want to ruin this effect with scratchy paper texture. For the smoothest layering of colored pencils, we need layers. The more, the better. So, color, white, same color again, and you're golden. And that's exactly what I'm doing here with my deep, dark blue-violet color. I'm going over the areas that I imagine are the darkest parts of the sky, but only after I've invested in multiple layers of blending and smoothing. For the cherry on top, you may want to bring in stars or snow or the glitter of the snow globe. I'm doing so with a simple white gel pen by adding dots. The other thing that I want to bring your attention to is how many of the colors from the sky I used in the landscape. Actually, I used all the same pencils for the little village, plus burnt sienna. Now that you have your glorious Aurora sky colored, you need to spice up those houses too, which is why I created this video popping up on the screen, where you can learn how to add actual glow to the windows of your houses. It's another super easy effect that looks like it took years to master. It's perfect for our little winter village. Have fun with this one, and happy holidays to you all.